The US dollar seems to have found another reason to strengthen, strong and short-lived. We are talking about the appointments in Donald Trump's future cabinet. Among the nominees are several billionaires, a Fox News host, a TV show doctor, and even a wrestling promoter who might head the Department of Education. Against this backdrop, the nomination of Scott Bessent as Treasury Secretary has brought some sense of stability to the markets, providing the US dollar with a reason for consolidation. Macroeconomic reports will also influence currency movements. Let us review the data set to be released on December 2 and its potential influence on Forex. This is Traders Calendar. The first trading day of December will kick off with a series of manufacturing PMIs published either by S&P Global or official statistics agencies. In Australia, JUDO Bank collaboration with the S&P Global for its index. The manufacturing PMI may rise to 48 points, and this growth could strengthen the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. The next PMI release comes from Japan, with the data provided by financial analysts at the JIBUN bank. The index may rise by 0.5 points, nearing the critical threshold of 50 points. For the yen, this increase would be a positive signal, particularly as signs of economic growth may allow the Bank of Japan to consider rate hike in December. China's economic forecasts indicate either a slight decline or stagnation in its manufacturing PMI. S&P Global projects that the index may drop to 50 points by the end of the year. If this trend is confirmed in the November report, this could weaken the yuan while also putting downward pressure on oil benchmarks such as WTI and Brent. Falling oil prices might negatively affect the ruble. However, the report from the S&P Global, which suggests an increase in Russia's manufacturing PMI to 50.9 points, could offset this pressure. The current forecast of 43.5 points for Germany's manufacturing activity looks underwhelming amid previous quite higher PMI figures. However, the expected 0.3-point rise could provide the euro with some upward momentum, particularly if the US dollar remains overbought and the markets seek reasons to consolidate. Any optimism from Germany may be short-lived, and this could be explained by the fact that the Eurozone's overall manufacturing PMI is expected to decline by 0.8 points, according to S&P Global. As a result, the euro might experience volatility with the initial gains giving way to decline. A similar trend is expected for the British pound. In the United Kingdom, the PMI may slide by 1.3 points, adding significant pressure on the currency. Canada's manufacturing PMI may increase to 51.3 points in November, which could strengthen the Canadian dollar against the greenback. However, if Donald Trump's proposed tariffs against Canada are implemented, the country's economy could face significant challenges. And in the United States, manufacturing activity remains below the growth zone. S&P Global projects the index will rise by 0.3 points to 48.8 points, offering limited support to the US dollar. The ISM manufacturing PMI offers a more pessimistic outlook, forecasting a reading of 46.5 points. However, projected increase to 47.2 in November could support the US dollar, potentially ending the first trading day of December on a high note. Please note that the time of publications is set in a GMT +3. The next video review of a trader's calendar will be released on a Monday, December 2. We wish you profitable trading. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. And see you soon.